Not me. Okay. This is my first video of the brand of what I got for Christmas. The State Police Pursuit Charger. First, I was really excited when I found it, but I stopped. Hey, stop. Sorry for that, but it was very awesome once I opened it. I was surprised and it was awesome. I loved it. So I'm going to show you an exclusive driver of the video, which is me. I might crash and all that, but that's how I roll. Okay, let me face you where it's going to happen. Okay, see that place over there? Okay. Now here's the cop car. See, you can't really see it, but you can see the word. See? Now you're gonna see it go around here. Okay, let me move you over here. And then, okay. Now you're gonna go over there.
There's just one problem. Even though they've been dating for months, Jonathan still hasn't told her he loves her.
Now here you go. You're gonna see it go. You're gonna go see it go driving right now. See it? Did you hear that big boom? That was the start of a crash. Let's go get it. Did you just say that? Did you just see that? I know you just saw it. Yeah, I know you just saw it. Grammy, it won't stop. Yeah, you saw that. I'm pretty sure, right? Okay, now I'm gonna head you over here to get an exclusive look at it.
Later, Jonathan puts his true feelings for Fatima in writing.
Now, we're going to have more videos coming up in a minute. Make sure you have a very, very, very good New Year. Happy New Year's. Bye.